Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube number 110, and I hope all my viewers are doing well. So today's episode is on hand woven pure Katan silk Banarasi, all by master weavers in rich pure silk Katan hand woven, pure handloom saris. So without wasting time, I'll show you some very rich weaves, new collections that have just arrived, and I've just seen the folded saris. I'll open these in front of you. These are all very heavy quality Katan, and see, all new borders. So today will be a very fresh collection of pure silks. These are, just check out each Karwal Buta. These are all Tilfi weave. Just see the outline, the weave, the uniqueness of each Buta. These are what the master weavers can do. And this is the border in dark navy. The color itself is mustard. This is the pallu, and this is the contrast woven blouse. Very rich, with a very good fall, because when I was clicking the pictures, I could see the pleats sitting so well. This is the sari. Very pretty combination, because this, even the bride's mother and all can wear it to receptions, and even for this basically I'll be showing you bridal collection, where even the bride's family members can do the shopping from here. For the black lovers, black and magenta, same border, same buta, the combination changes. Here you can see how lovely the Meena buta is. Each buta is all antique heritage weaves. In fact, my great grandmother had very good collection of Banarasis, and those are mostly now with my weavers, reviving those same buta, same motifs. So this is one of them. So this has a sentimental value for me. 13,500 for this. This is the blouse piece. For this black, the blouse piece will be with buta. In case I missed out the price, it's there in the scroll. Just take the screenshot of the product along with the number of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the WhatsApp number that is provided. First come, first serve basis. Business account will give you the bank details. We also accept Paytm and GPay to the same bank. If you can GPay to the same bank. Internationally also we are shipping. Domestically definitely. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata. This is product number 2 in black. Product number 3, peacock blue color. Now this is so pretty. The border, the combination, the konya buta. Just see the pallu. This is lovely. See the back side, so you can understand how many colors the thread has been used for the Meena border. So here is the sari with rich weave in the border, buta, pallu, and this black contrast blouse is what making it, because the two-tone color, Katan, two-tone. 13,900. Rich combination, very pretty. Beautiful sari. These the still pictures. If you want to see the still pictures of the product, kindly like our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. where the products will be uploaded, but as I always say, first come first serve basis. So please be quick in your payments. Once the payment is received, we will courier it to you, because these are all ready to ship, all polished and finished. Finishing is also complete for these sarees. This is in midnight blue, number 4, same black border, black blouse piece, sorry. WhatsApp booking only, no phone calls, only WhatsApp booking. In case you want to, in case of any emergency, you need to talk to, then you can talk to the 983 number. You can call up that number in case of emergency. But the 76 number, personally, I message you. It's me who's messaging, though it's very to the point, yes or no. But still, I personally message all the, I personally take care of all the bookings. This is number 4. 13,900 in midnight blue, multi-meena woven border and pallu. See the pallu and this konya buta. Now this is a very nice color combination again. Those who wanted subtle ones, other than the bright colors, those who wanted the sober combinations, the earthy taste colors. This also is very unique. Antique zari, grey and mustard. I want to show you the butas. 12,900. Here is the blouse piece. So this is where the get up will be. It's very pretty. Butas till the end. Number 6, it's a sea green color with Rani. This is the sea green two-tone with this magenta, bluish sea green. Since it's a two-tone color, it's an emerald green color basically. Beautiful shade, very rich color combination. And these are traditional Katan silk, product number 6, 12,500. The prices are all mentioned in the description part. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp me 7603042696. I will be answering your queries. This is the sari. Within 2 to 3 working days, the products will be shipped. Sundays we remain open. The other days, Monday to Saturday, we are open every day. And we have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. And the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Both are very close by. And more collection is there in the store. But for particular these products, since all are one piece, kindly pre-book. This is another color. It's a chiku color. Not grey, not beige. It's a very unique color, and especially with the same magenta border, the earthy color against the bright border. This is where the sari is standing out. You can wear it for a long time, and this is really pretty. Just check out the combination. Very elegant, classy sari. You can check out our Srimoti album, Sanskriti Kolkata, Sanskriti Srimoti album, where the beautiful ladies, all my clients, all my well-wishers, the Srimotis are wearing these kind of all our products, and the album is, that's a beautiful album, and I often, in my leisure time, I often keep, browsing that album to check out all your pictures, how pretty you look, sharing your lovely moments, your special occasions with us, keeping us in your thoughts. It's really an honor. Lovely sari. Number 8, Katan Banarasi with silk satin border, purple red. This is a satin border, that's why it's so rich. See the combination, purple and red. I love this silk, the most beautiful silk. Very pretty. Bottle, this is very dark. This is black, not bottle green. This is black with red, jet black and deep red. Today all the borders are new, not the typical ones that the ones that I've shown you. These are all new borders. Product number 9, 11,900 rupees, 11,900 with Buta jet black satin border, pure silk katan hand woven handloom product by our master weavers from Banaras. Beautiful saree with red blouse piece, which I've shown you earlier. Now something very cute combination, 12,500, Rani and red, absolutely for a beautiful bride. Of course anybody can wear it, it's just how you carry yourself. It's very rich color. Number 10, 12,500 rupees. I always ask my mother to wear these bright colors. She would never wear, but my mother-in-law carries these bright colors so well. She loves wearing rich reds, ranis and bright colors, and my mother sticks to all earthy colors. So both my mothers are absolutely different, has absolutely different taste, but both of them, the way they carry themselves looks beautiful in their own way. This is a two-tone, very rich Rani and red color combination. Narrow border, both sides, same border. And the mannequin, yes, it's wearing a viridian green, rich deep peacock green color. Peacock green and red, big Buta Katan silk Banarasi. The price of this is 12,900 with this red blouse. This is the blouse piece for this. Very pretty, hand woven, lovely border. Now product number 11, midnight blue and magenta. Again the same one that I showed you in the previous Rani one, number 10, same border, except same Buta, same width of the border. color changes, magenta and navy with Rani blouse piece. All over buta. These are very heavy count thread katan. These are not the very fine ones, the semi ones. This is pure katan, thick quality. You can just understand the feel of the product, and that's why I know I have mainly returning customers, because they know the quality of our products. We do not compromise with the finish and the quality, no way. And I know you are ready to pay extra for the best finish and best quality, and even there I don't compromise. 12,500 rupees. This is again a new weave. I want to show you the butas. See the tiny Meena butas? Aren't they cute? These are all new weave. খুব ঘন মিনে বুটি, অল ওভার বুটি করা হয়েছে একদম ঘন করে। দেখুন এটা একদম পুরোটা এক একটা বুটির মধ্যে এত সুন্দর মিহিন যে মিনা বুটাটা, তার সাথে দেখুন ব্লাউজটাও কিন্তু এরকম রিচ ওভেন ব্লাউজ দেওয়া হয়েছে। ব্লাউজটা টার্কয়েজ ব্লু আর বডিটা কিন্তু ওয়াইন কালার। খুব আনকমন কম্বিনেশনটা, ওয়াইন অ্যান্ড টার্কয়েজ, আর তার সাথে এই টার্কয়েজ ব্লু ব্লাউজ, ভীষণ সুন্দর, ভীষণ আনকমন কম্বিনেশন। একদিকে চওড়া বর্ডার যাচ্ছে, ওপর দিকে ন্যারো বর্ডার যাচ্ছে কম্প্যারেটিভলি, কিন্তু যখন আপনি এই কন্ট্রাস্ট ব্লাউজটা দিয়ে এখানটা পরবেন তখনই কিন্তু লুকটা আরো গর্জাস, আরো রিচ লাগবে। আর এই কালারটা দেখুন, এখানে কম্বিনেশনটা বুঝতে পারবেন, মানে পিকক ব্লু এর সাথে ওয়াইন কালার, খুব সুন্দর, খুব সুন্দর শাড়িটা। এটা আমি কিছু কালার দেখাবো, তাহলে আপনারা অপশন পাবেন, সমস্ত আপনারা নিজেরাই বুঝতে পারছেন। অল পলিশড অ্যান্ড জাস্ট রাইট, so you'll have all fresh pieces to select from. In fact, as you all know, we don't have any dead stock, so neither do we give any sale or discounts, because every time you'll be getting all fresh collection, jet black and peacock blue. See the combination. Number 13, 12,900, product number 13. Lovely combination. And boss, this is the sari. So I'm not draping the whole one. You can already, you've seen a piece. I'll show you another design now. 11,900. Konya buta, peach and Rani combination. Very fresh combination, peach and Rani. Gajri color. For all traditional sari lovers, this is a episode for you, and all those who were messaging me for their bridal saris. আপনারা অনেক আমাকে মেসেজ করেন, আমাকে আমার প্রোডাক্টসের জন্য ওয়েট করেন, আমার এপিসোডসের জন্য ওয়েট করেন। আমি একদম ফ্রম দ্য হার্ট আই মাস্ট থ্যাংক ইউ যে আপনারা ধৈর্য ধরে ওয়েট করেন যে আমার প্রোডাক্টসগুলো কখন দেখানো হবে। আপনারা লাস্ট মোমেন্ট অবধি ওয়েট করেন। তার জন্য দেখুন আমরা একদম নতুন কালেকশন, একদম নিউ কনসেপ্ট, নিউ বর্ডার। মিনা বর্ডারটা দেখুন কতগুলি কালার ইউজ হয়েছে, পার্পল, রানি, রেড একটা বর্ডারের মধ্যে। এই ছোট জিনিসটা এত সময় লেগে যায়, কিন্তু আমি আমার তাঁতিদের কখনো তাড়া দিন, আমি জানি আমি যদি ওদের উপর ছেড়ে দিই না, জিনিসটার আউটকামটা অনেক ভালো হবে। আমি তাড়া দিতে থাকলে সেই জিনিসটা আসবে না। কালারগুলো দেখুন, কাজগুলো দেখুন, বুননগুলো দেখুন। কি সুন্দর রানী ব্লাউজ, পিকক গ্রিন শাড়ি with Rani contrast blouse and of course the Ponia buta. Border, pallu and blouse piece. Product number 15, 11,900 only. 11,900 আমি যখন শুরু করেছিলাম 26 ইয়ার্স হতে চললো অলমোস্ট, আমি কাতান বিক্রি করেছি 5,000-এ। 5,000 থেকে আমার মনে আছে আমি কাতান বিক্রি করা শুরু করেছি, আর এখন এত দাম বেড়ে গেছে আমি নিজেই বুঝতে পারি। তসর, প্রিন্টের তসর আমি 1,800 টাকা থেকে বিক্রি করা শুরু করেছি। 1,800 I started initially my first experience of printed tussar. It was from 1,800 I remember. Now those are almost 5,000, so you can understand how these prices are soaring. But at least we still have these hand woven weavers who are still not into power loom. They are giving their time for handloom products. Silver grey with burgundy. Yes, I've seen the comments. Yes, you're right. I'm really blessed with some best karigars of India working for Sanskriti. Yes, you are right. I'm really blessed to and honored to work with that weaving community. This is the blouse piece, full buta blouse piece. This is the sari. It's a lovely shade of powder blue silver grey color. It's a beautiful shade, different shade, and with this dark burgundy color border and that buta blouse. Beautiful combination. Very pretty. 17, Navy Rani. It's not navy actually, it's an ink blue color, poppin blue color. It's not navy, my mistake. It's an ink blue color with Rani blouse, all over buta, satin patta border in the blouse. Rich, very rich combination. Wow, see this combination. Now burgundy and Rani. It's a wine color. Wine and Rani rather, not burgundy. It's a wine color. Wine has more of that magenta shade, and the burgundy has more of a purple tone. This has the running blouse but with buta, the same color. This will also look very pretty because the border is contrast. The satin border is in Rani and the body will be in buta. Number 18, 11,900 rupees. Inclusive GST, proper GST bill will go with each sari. So here is the combination. যদি ভালো লাগে রেকমেন্ড করবেন, কাইন্ডলি কমেন্ট করবেন আর শেয়ার করবেন। প্লিজ লাইক, শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব টু গেট রেগুলার নোটিফিকেশনস। নাও এটা আমি আগের বার কিছু বুনেছিলাম, আমি বলেছিলাম আমি ফার্স্ট টাইম একটু এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করছি শিকারগা, অল ওভার জাল উইভ ইন শিকারগা। আপনারা ভালো রেসপন্ড করেছেন এবং এখন এনকোয়ার করছেন, তাই সাহস করে আবার কিছু বুনিয়েছি। Multiple line border in shikarga, body also in shikarga. Shikarga is a form of weaving where living animals are woven. So here there are birds, anything living, horse, animals, elephants, peacock, especially these kind of. But it's a jal weave. It's a very pretty, unique, rich, gorgeous weave, and the colors peacock blue color with Meena border, Meena pallu. Now see the weave. Very, very rich and hand woven, and you can imagine how much time this product has taken to weave. The back part is also very well finished. This is the whole sari fully woven with contrast woven blouse piece. Since the body is so much weave, I have kept the blouse in simple contrast with buta. This is the blouse piece. See this color combination. Number 20. Navy blue. প্রত্যেকটা শাড়ি কিন্তু খুব নতুনত্ব কম্বিনেশনে করা হয়েছে এপিসোডে, আপনারা দেখে বুঝতে পারছেন। পুরোটা শিকারগা উইভ, অরেঞ্জ, মাস্টার্ড অ্যান্ড মেরুন দিয়ে পুরোটা উইভিং করা হয়েছে। এটার বুনুইটা দেখুন, ভাবতে পারা যায় মানে কত সময় লেগেছে পুরো উইভটা করতে। দিস ইজ বানারসি। আর এর সাথে see, and yes, I'll show you the blouse piece. Blouse piece. (21) leaf green color. Since these are all over weave, the blouse is not too big. The pallu. The pallu I've kept it small pallu because the body is too much, half meter pallu. But the border, the blouse, everything is so rich. And if I make the pallu also very, very rich, then it will not look nice. It's a simple, nice woven pallu. Shikarga border in the pallu, shikarga border in the border also and the body. And with this, even the blouse is very, very grand. The combination, I'll show you the combination for the blouse. Yes. See this blouse piece with this. Beautiful color combination, and so this way you can understand the whole sari, the pallu, the border, the body, the blouse. Very pretty color. And the last one, red. 22, and these are price. I have not told you the price. I've been so engrossed in showing you the sarees. 18,900, the same price as before. 18,900, all over pure Katan silk shikarga, hand woven. Yes, wow, bright red. With purple. and Rani blouse. আশা করি ভালো লাগলো। বুকিং এর জন্য হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বারটা যাচ্ছে, ছবিটা নিয়ে বুকিং করবেন, এনকোয়ারি করবেন। আর আমি লাস্টে আমারটা একবার বলে দিই, আমার শাড়িটাও কিন্তু বটল গ্রিনের ওপর, ডার্ক বটল গ্রিন, তার সাথে ম্যাজেন্টা বর্ডার, পাল্লু, এবং এটার সাথে কিন্তু যেটা ওটাও দেখিয়েছিলাম না, রানিং ব্লাউজে জাস্ট বুটাটা আলাদা, এটা হচ্ছে প্রাইস 11,900 রুপিস। এটা কিন্তু এটা ব্লাউজ পিসটা, এটা ব্লাউজ পিস, এটা 11,900 এবং নেক পিসটা গণেশ নেক পিস উইথ ইয়ারিং 6,500। এটা কিন্তু আরেকটু নামানো যায়, খুব রিচ হ্যান্ডক্রাফটেড নেক পিস। এটা খালি নেক পিসটার দামই 6,500 প্রবাবলি। এটা দুলটা কি আছে, দুলটা দেখতে হবে। জাস্ট নেক পিসটা 6,500 রুপিস, আর শাড়ির দামটা তো আমি আপনাকে বলেই দিলাম। সো দ্যাটস ইট ফর টুডে। কিপ ওয়াচিং, নেক্সট ভিডিও কামিং ভেরি সুন। নমস্কার।